To more breaking news overseas now, where Pope Francis is being treated for a respiratory infection that requires more time in hospital. Live to 9 Europe correspondent Edward Godfrey. Edward, crowds have been gathering for the pontiff.
They have, Jane. Pope Francis has been in hospital for 3 days and it appears as though his condition is becoming more serious. A spokesperson for the Vatican today saying the results of the medical tests carried out over the past few days have shown a polymicrobial infection of the respiratory tract, which has led to a further change in therapy. All tests carried out to date are indicative of a complex clinical picture that will require appropriate hospitalisation. It's not known how long Pope Francis will be in hospital, but the Vatican added he was in good spirits this morning. And in some breaking news, I've just put out a message in the last couple of minutes saying that his condition is stable and he's touched by the messages of affection he's been receiving. The 88-year-old was admitted on Friday in what was called a fair condition. He'd been continuing to work despite suffering with bronchitis for more than a week. It's not his first scare. 2 years ago, the Argentinian-born Pope was admitted to hospital with pneumonia and then once again for a hernia. He also had part of one lung removed as a young man due to an infection. Well wishers have been gathering outside the hospital with a statue of Pope John Paul II, Jane, them and millions around the world praying for Pope Francis.
Edward Godfrey, thank you.